back again. Healthy living with Ms. Renee the Barber. In today's video, we will be making black bean chicken chili. All right, let's get started. All right, so let's turn on our heat. We're gonna put it on medium heat. We're gonna get our chicken going here. The chicken has already been diced into bite-sized pieces, okay? And the chicken actually is leftover chicken from when I made the engagement chicken. If you haven't seen that recipe, I'll drop the link in the description box below. So that was a whole chicken. It was roasted. So I cut it up into bite-sized pieces. I cut the leftover. And now I'm just going to put it in our pot. That's a lot of chicken. And we're going to, I'm just going to sift through it to see how big the pieces are. Do I need to cut any more? Like, this is a big piece right there. Let me cut that real quick. It's already been cooked, so, you know, you don't need to do a lot to it. All right, so we're good. Okay, we're good. Now, if these pieces are too large for you, you can cut them down to your bite size. I did have these 2 wings left over. I'll save these for later today. So we got our chicken on, and it's while it's heating up, I am going to put some Sazon on it to give it some color. I just put 1 packet in there. And as the chicken continues to cook, it'll get tender and break apart even more. Yeah. Okay. All right, so like I said, the chicken has already been cooked and roasted. Oh, you hear it heating up now? Can you hear it? Can you hear it? All right, so we're just going to go ahead and put the rest of the ingredients in and let it all marry together. All right, the first thing we're going to do, of course, we're going to put some chili powder in. This is like 2 tablespoons chili powder. Two tablespoons of garlic. 2 tablespoons of onion powder, a little lumpy there. This is some paprika, 1 tablespoon of paprika. Some people call it paprika. Let me give it a stir. Or you could mix all of your ingredients in 1 big bowl and pour it all in at the same time. It's up to you. Two tablespoons of cumin. Pepper flakes, just as many as you want. I have about a tablespoon in there. Tablespoon of oregano. Actually, this is Mexican oregano. It's mixed with cilantro. Got some salt. Depending on your taste, just a little bit of salt. Tablespoon of black pepper, if you like pepper. Now, let's stir it up. Get all those seasonings. Coat the chicken. Let the seasonings coat the chicken. Oh yeah, isn't that a pretty color? It's a pretty color. Now this is the corn. It's a 1 can of kernel corn, sweet kernel corn, undrained. What do you think about that color? That red and that gold. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, you know what I want to say. Come to mama. Come to mama. Alrighty. One can of black beans, undrained. Starting to look like chili to me. Oh yeah. One can of crushed tomatoes seasoned with garlic. You know I'm a garlic lover. Looks like chili to me. Oh yeah, baby. It's some roasted red pepper, which I'm going to cut into bite-sized pieces. Let's see. Can you guys see me cutting? Probably not. Let me scoot you over here. Just cutting them into bite-sized pieces. They were real long, you know. Straight out the jar. These are straight. My hand in the way. These are the red roasted peppers. They're straight out the jar. I'm just cutting them into bite-sized pieces. Who likes red roasted peppers? I do. I think I made some this past summer on the grill. So if I find that video, I'll put that in the description box as well. They don't have to be perfect. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is just drop them in. Let's drop them in now. Undrained. And these peppers are so tender, I really can break them with that metal spoon there. Who would like to join me for dinner? I have enough here to invite some guests. I like to top my chili with raw onions. So I'm just going to take a little bit of onions, put them in there. The rest for when I'm eating my bowl of chili. Okay, awesome. Let's see. It looks pretty juicy, you know, but I like thick chili. So for my chili, the thickener, I'm going to use a little bit of cornstarch, just a little bit of cornstarch. And when I say a little bit like that, sprinkle that around there. It'll thicken it up just a little bit. I don't want it to be pasty, but let's do that. Mix it up. All right. I've got my heat on medium. You know what I'm tempted to do? I'm going to do it anyway, okay? I'm going to take these chicken wings. I'm just going to put them on top there. I'm not going to mix them in, right? I just want those chicken wings to get that flavor. So I'm going to cover, and we're just going to let it simmer, marry together for just about 45 minutes, okay? See you in a few. Let me just check on the chili real quick. I wanted to give it a quick stir, but before I can do that, let me take this chicken out. Look at that color. Look at that color. These are the chicken wings that I just want to suck on the bone. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just want to suck on the bone. All right. Shoo. Few more. minutes and we'll be ready to serve it. Who would like to have dinner with me tonight? Leave a comment in the comment section. Oh, and if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I appreciate it. I don't want anything. I just want to taste it a little bit. Perfect. Perfect. Actually, take this out because I don't want them to get too tender. Let me stir it one more time. Turn it down and just let it simmer. Let's go ahead and cut it. Yeah, nice and moist. Yes. Sunlight is hitting it. It may not give it the true color. Sour cream on there. Some Mexican cheese. A couple of onions. I love my onions. For all those onion lovers. Because some people cannot eat onions. I understand that. But Ms Renee the Barber can. Oh yeah. It's hard to say one word, really. Oh, good. I'm gonna get one of those peppers. Red roasted pepper with some chicken. Sorry for the slurping. Cornbread, delicious. Anybody else eat chili with rice? Little sour cream. Raw onions. It's hot too. Not hot spicy, just hot right out the pot. You know what I mean? It certainly is good. Will I make it again? Yes, I will. Chicken. Come to mama. All right, folks. I couldn't finish the bowl. I'm full. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out. I appreciate each and every one of you for joining me. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Here's the healthy living.